back to another video down my local lake, back Arun Fishery. I'm on the first lake again today, so hopefully I'll catch a big fish. Been down here for about an hour already. Haven't caught much yet, so hopefully I'll catch them soon. Taken a while, but lovely first fish of the session. Weighs about 8 pounds. It's got some lovely colours. Look at it. Look at that for a fish. Nice. Right. Hopefully I'll get a couple more. I've only got about 3 hours left. But hopefully get a couple more of these ones, or a little bit bigger. Alright, let's put them back. Second fish of the session. Proper nice common this one is. Weighs 12.5 pounds. Proper nice fish, this one is. Alright, let's put it back.